cruise boats. All the many. Very, very quiet, isn't it? That it's going to. Oh, I think it's going down to Asia Teak to start the journey. Hi everybody, we finally got here. We're at the Anantara Riverside Buffet, Premium Buffet for Susie's birthday. So we're just going to get introduced to the buffet now, and I'm going to show you around, and then we'll tuck in and see what wonders we're going to eat tonight. So out here is the hot buffet. So they've got plenty to choose from here. We've got the Western taste. Roasted pumpkin soup, sauteed broccoli, baked pasta. We've got all the different pastas there. Here you've got Hainanese chicken rice, peppers, all the mixes. And then you've got your dim sums here. Chinese wok food, then authentic Thai salad, beautiful papaya salad there prepared, glass noodle salad with seafood, and we have the beef curry with chicken, stir fried Shazan sauce with seafood. Butter chicken curry, Indian corner, got assorted naan bread, chicken tikka, cottage cheese and green pea curry. So we've got there. Then you've got your tempura prawns and vegetable tempura. Beautiful, beautiful. And here you got your grilled pork, your chicken roulade. That's what it's at. Over here you've got your river prawns, got your shrimp. This is all the barbecue. You've got the barbecued pork spare ribs, chicken wings, veal sausage and chorizo sausage. And if we go in here we have the cold foods, crepes and desserts. We've got churros, assorted Thai desserts, strawberry crumbles, apple strudels, ice cream, bread,
salad,
and we've got various salad items there. And then we'll finally go over here, and you've got some lovely hams, some beautiful hams there, fantastic. And then you've got some cheeses, all the different cheeses, and then over here you've got all the fresh fruit.
Okay.
So that's it. So guys, we're going to now choose what we want to have to start with. I don't know where to start, but we've got 2 hours. We booked this online, but you can get discounts with Eat It Go. I'll put up the information on the screen. I'll put up some full information and play some music, so that you can see the deals that you get. But you can get between 10 and 50% off, so that's really good. So we'll go and see what we're going to have to eat, and we'll see you back at the table. Well, I found some nice cold seafood. I've got a New Zealand mussel. I can't remember which prawn that was, and I've got some crab, and I've got some spicy seafood sauce and some Thousand Island dressing. So, what have you got, Susie? Prawns. Tempura prawns. So, without further ado, I don't know what this is going to be like because I've never had one of these before. Mussels. So we'll take the mussel and we're going to dip it in some spicy seafood sauce. And it is spicy. Wow. Very tasty. It's one of the premium buffets, and the standard price is 2,000 Thai baht for the meal. But by using Eat and Go, you can get it at a cheaper rate. They're fantastic. So it's not just like your buffet back in the UK, where you're going to pay 15-20 pounds for curries and what have you. What do you think? What was it like? I've never used one of these before, so I don't know how you break the crab, but then again it's come out so succulently that I don't think I really have to break it, to be quite honest with you. The crab is very, very fresh. That was a nice little seafood starter. That was something a little bit different. We finished. Yeah. So round two, Susie's gone for the same as me. Chicken wings, barbecued chicken wings and a spare ribs, but I missed one thing on the seafood. So I'm going to try, which I've never ever had before, and this is an oyster. Oh dear me. Here goes. Just tasted like a bit of lime jelly. So the best way to eat these is just pick them up and
Make just rolls up.
It's like Susie said, it's just so tender. Wow. Well, we're going to carry on with this buffet. You've seen what's on offer. You've seen some of the starters that we've had. We're going to carry on and enjoy the rest of our meal, and we'll let you know later on what we thought of everything. I had to share this with you. When I was going around filming the different stations, I didn't realise everything that was there, and we missed some bits and pieces. So I missed the crispy duck, crispy pork, Wagyu steak. So now I'm just trying some Wagyu steak, and it is cooked to perfection. Gorgeous. Seasoned with a little bit of salt. The only way that it should be seasoned. Well, very good.